politely ask if they have a reservation. Do you have a table reservation?
Yes, I have a reservation.
May I have your name, please?
It's Joy Sean.
This way, Mr. Sean. Good evening, sir.
Hello, good evening.
Do you have a table reservation?
No, actually I don't have a reservation.
That's all right. May I have your name, please?
My name is Joy Sean.
Would you prefer the smoking or non-smoking area, Mr. Sean?
Non-smoking, of course.
Mr. Sean, this way, please. Is this table fine, Mr. Sean?
Yes, it is. Thank you. Here's your menu, sir.
Thank you.
Today we have a special set menu. Chef's Special. May I recommend the Chef's Special? We also have delicious buffet for you today. I'll come back in a few minutes to take your order.
All right, thank you. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, share and like for more videos.